Sometimes it is very important for you to know some certain stuffs online before investing your money. And people have been gotten scammed online just because they don't know the idea about something to do with. Let's invest online, let's make money online, and how the internet actually works. So sometimes you just have to take actually good care of yourself before just going into a particular platform or making any investment on a website. And people have been gotten scammed, seeing a whole lot of stuff about I invested in this, I invested in that, I didn't get my money, I didn't get that. But if you have been scammed, go to the comment section please and just tell me what happened and how you got scammed. Alright, so you should make sure that the online space is not a space for you to invest. Alright, it is a space for you to make money. Just take that in mind, that the online is not a space for you to invest. It's just a space for you to make money. So anything concerning investment, you just have to take a good time and know what you are doing. In other way, you just have to make a research of your own. And do you even know that the platforms or the website that we've been visiting trying to make money online are being built by individuals? Do you know that? So how do you know that a scammer might be somewhere living in different country and then be programming this website and then be scamming people, taking your money on that particular platform or website? How do you know? Before you just go into anything concerning online marketing or online businesses, online investment, you just have to understand yourself. You just have to know what you are actually doing and then get more information about that particular platform. You don't just have to carry your money, go and make your investment. And the most one thing which actually kills me is the more people will be heard about this investment thing, they'll just carry their $100, their $200, their $300, just boom into this particular website, this particular platform. No, it doesn't actually work in that way. You just have to test it for some couple of days, couple of months. Just put in some $5, some $10. That's even when you just have a little faith or little trust in that particular website. If you don't actually have that faith or trust, why should you do that? Why should you even deposit your money into the particular website? And I actually know that people you are visiting online might have heard of the Ponzi schemes. You might heard of the NFT, the cryptos, the forex trading, and the others. And now let me ask you, why do you even go into forex trading? There are a whole lot of forex trading apps, forex trading platform. Why do you even have to go into forex trading? Do you know where the forex marketing is actually taking you to, and do you know how it is going? Even the forex itself don't know where it is going in future. So why are you investing? Why are you depositing your money? Why are you making money, or you want to make money from this online stuff? And moreover, it's not actually everything seems online. Just like what I've said, something to do with cryptos. I myself have been making videos on cryptos, but there is none of my videos that I have been asking people to just deposit or invest in that cryptos things before we make money. None of my video just says that you should make an investment or deposit an money into that particular platform before you can make money. No, because the online space is for you to make money. You don't have to invest money. So what I always tell my audience is, like, whenever you've been asked of depositing money or just investing into that particular website before you can withdraw, please don't visit the website again, or stop. Don't deposit any money into that particular website, because it doesn't work in that way. All right, so mostly people will be just making confused online. They'll be like, oh, they have their address on website and they have that. No, it doesn't work in that way. How do you know that they can provide a website? They can provide a telephone number. They can provide you to join them on Telegram. They can tell you to join them on WhatsApp. They can provide their address. But how do you be sure that the address is correct? How do you be sure that actually you are chatting with them on Facebook, on Telegram, on WhatsApp? But how do you know that they are actually going to stay there for long? That's the problem. And this is the one thing, or this is the most thing I'll be talking about, which gets people into these things. First of all, one we have to talk about is ignorance. All right. So people will be like, I trust these YouTubers. I know. Fine, you know, but have you make your own research? That's the question. You just have to make your own research. Go and find information about these particular platforms before you can make money with them. If I'm actually making sense in this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, just give it a like and just leave a comment section as we've been talking about. So people will be ignorant about this. I really trust, oh fine, there are most of the YouTubers we trust there. I myself, I trust most of the YouTubers, some content creators, but in other way you just have to make your own research. So a YouTuber will be making a video and be uploaded. Sometimes it's not their fault because sometimes it's a promotional video, it's a production fee video. So they have to make a video on that particular platform for them to actually advert themselves for people to know. So sometimes we just have to listen carefully to the content creators or the YouTubers. They actually give some key informations in their videos talking about the platform, whether for you to actually invest or not. Even if you didn't hear anything from them, actually just have to make your own research before investing in that particular platform, because the online space is very dangerous, of which about 80% I can say are fake. Most of them are just, the true ones are just about 20% that you can just rely on. All right, so people will be secondly desperate. So people will be desperate, like, I own school fees, I need money to do this, I need money to do that. It's just about having some amount of money with yourself and you just like, let me go and play Aviator. So the more you play Aviator will take your money and go away. Just like how people are getting desperate. I'll be like, I have 100, let me go and invest in this platform. Within a month's time, I'll get the money and then sort things out. No, people get scammed mostly. So most of the websites will tell you to just wait for 300 days, just wait for 500 days, and they are going to increase your money in. No, it doesn't work in that way. You just have to be very careful. You just have to be very, very careful. It doesn't work in that way. So you just have to make yourself a couple of times making information. Even if you have to make, if YouTubers or content creators make a video on that, they give a key information that you have to follow, because sometimes the system is very hard. They have to make the video to get some little coins in order for them to make videos for you always. All right, so you just have to listen to content creators and YouTubers online. They give key informations concerning a fake videos and some good videos too as well. All right, so people will be like, they sell courses to you, so you have to just buy the courses and you learn, then you start making money. No, it doesn't work in that way. So you see that they will just give you the pictures and some nice frames. They will be showing you something, videos of which you can just believe and trust in them, but they will never show you how their account get boosted and how they make those money. They will always tell you, just learn the course for some days, then you start making money with the course. What you've learned, you apply. No, you just have to be very, very careful. And even if it actually works in that way, you just have to take your time. All right, so I'll be talking about some ways some platforms introduce themselves to us, and then we will be also engaging ourselves. We have the advanced fee scheme. So they will tell you to invest whatever you want to give to you, and then if it doesn't work, they will just give you your money back. Does it work in that way? Like, you just invest your money and they will also tell you, if it doesn't go through for you, they will send back your money. Really? Would you even do that if someone actually try to make money with you and the person will send you money? How the system is works, and then you also going to tell the person, I will send you your money back if it doesn't work. Will you? So this is how people get scammed. So they will just come and confuse you with, oh, this is the website, this is the platform, this is the online business, just invest. If it didn't go well for you, you refund your money for you in order for you to sustain. No, it doesn't work in that way. It's actually wrong. So you just have to be very careful with how these things work. So the second one is the SICK investment scheme. SICK investment scheme. So they will tell you to just make an investment, and each and every day you're going to receive this commission. About some couple of days you can withdraw your money, and it doesn't work in that way. And some of them will also tell you to be referring your friends, referring your colleagues in order for them to join. But you can testify that when they join and start investing, it doesn't go well for you. You are the one to be blamed. You know that you are the one to be blamed. So you don't have to just stand up and do anything concerning online stuff. You just have to actually be careful and get your some information before you can actually start making money online. This is very important. And as I say, if you found this particular video interesting, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and give me your comments as you are watching this video. But please, let's all note, I'm no way a financial advisor. In order for us to sustain online and make money online, as I've been making money online on my channel, that's why I'm giving you all these clues, and then you have to be very careful as you're going into online stuff. All right, so I learned some of us have been hearing about this Ponzi schemes and so a lot of stuff. So Ponzi scheme, they actually come couple of days, couple of months. Actually, for the first 1 week, some even last for 1 week, 10 days. They'll be helping you with money. They'll be feeding you cash, but it doesn't last. That's the truth. Ponzi schemes doesn't last. They don't last, and people will be like, let me invest my 500k, let me invest my 50k, let me invest my 100k into this platform, then I'll get it in multiple. No, it doesn't work in that way. You just actually have to be very careful. Something to do with online. Don't get yourself scammed. All right, so make yourself own research. Don't fall as a victim, because the online space is for you to make money. It's not for you to invest your money. You just have to be very, very careful. So people will be like, forex trading, so let me go in for forex trading, let me trade this. People will be always sitting down trading and buy this, buy that, buy this. This is an indicator, but is that you have to buy this indicator for you to read that. No, it doesn't actually work in that way. You just have to be very careful. Something to do, and this is my master class. No, you just have to be very careful. Online doesn't work in this such a way. So you just have to be very careful with online things. And then I hope you find this particular video. Kindly subscribe, like this video, and give me your comments if you have been scammed before. So actually, I will just end my project of my video here for today. If you have any suggestion, just leave it in the comments. We'll talk about concerning online businesses and online stuff. All what I do here is to make money online, and you can watch some of my videos as well too. And then I hope to see you in my next video.